Okay, so now we're going to use what we learned in the last video to help us solve these three-word problems. The first one says the Texans got a possession of the football on the 20-yard line. They ran for an 8-yard gain. The next play was a 3-yard loss. What is their field position after the two plays? So we know they start on the 20-yard line. So we're just going to draw a picture to help us out. This is where they start on the 20. And then it says there was an 8-yard gain. So that means they're going to travel 8 yards down the field, which would leave us. So this is 8 yards. So 20 plus 8 would be at the 28-yard line. And now the next part says there was a 3-yard loss. So we're going to go backwards because they lost yardage, 3 yards, which means we're going to subtract. So 28 minus 3 would leave us at the 25-yard line. So their position on the field was the 25-yard line. And that's our first answer. Now the second one says Samantha earned $35 for mowing her neighbor's lawn. She then bought 2 shirts for $6 each and a pair of earrings for $8. How much money does she have now? So for this one, a picture is not really as needed. We're going to know she starts with $35. Now let's see what she spent. So 2 shirts for $6 each, so a 6 and a 6. And a pair of earrings for $8. So everything in red here is what she spent. So let's go ahead and add that up to see how much she spent total. So 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 8 is 20. So $20 spent. Now, that's not what this question is asking for. Wants to know how much money does she have now. So all we have to do is subtract this from her amount that she earned. So $35 minus 20 would be $15 left. And that's going to be the answer here. Another way that you could go about this $6 for 2 shirts. So 2 shirts times $6 because they each cost $6 and there were 2 of them. So either one of these ways is fine. Now our last one says Chloe has $45 in her bank account. After she went shopping, she looked at her account again and she had negative $12. How much did she spend shopping? So let's just draw a number line here. So she started with this 45. She ended with the negative 12. We're trying to see how much she spent that took this 45 all the way down to negative 12. So what we can do here is just subtract, which would be $45 minus negative 12. But we learned that minus a negative becomes a plus. So 45 plus 12 would give us $57. So that is our answer. She spent $57. And if we check with our number line, we can see to get from negative 12 to 45, this length here is 57. And that is it for this.